Hello everyone. In this problem, the first three terms of a sequence are given, and then we are to determine the value of y given two different scenarios. In part A, we assume that the sequence is arithmetic, and in part B, we assume that the sequence is geometric. Recall that an arithmetic sequence is a recursive sequence where new terms are created by adding a constant value each time. This constant is called the common difference and is represented by d. So the difference between any two consecutive terms is equal to the common difference d. Thus, we can see that the difference between the first term and the second term equals to the difference between the second term and the third term. On the other hand, a geometric sequence is one in which any term divided by the previous term is a constant. This constant is called the common ratio of the sequence and is denoted by r. The common ratio can be found by dividing any term in the sequence by the previous term. So we can see that the ratio of a2 and a1 equals the ratio of a3 and a2, and the ratio of each consecutive terms is always equal to the common ratio r. Now for part A, given 3 is our first term, y plus 1 is second, and 27 is the third, we can say that the difference between the first two terms must be equal to the difference between the term 3 and term 2. By substituting these terms, we'll get y plus 1 minus 3 equals 27 minus y plus 1. We eliminate the brackets, we collect the like terms on the same side, combine the like terms, and finally, by dividing both sides by 2, we'll get y to be 14. This is assuming that the sequence is arithmetic. In part B, we assume that the sequence is geometric. So we have our terms A1, A2, and 3. And because the sequence is geometric, then the ratio of the A2 and A1 must be equal to the ratio of A3 over A2. We substitute the terms, we'll get y plus 1 over 3 equals 27 divided by y plus 1. We can cross multiply, so the product of two y plus 1s must be equal to the products of 3 and 27. We get y plus 1 squared equals 81. Now we take the square root of both sides and we get y plus 1 equals plus and minus 9. That gives us two solutions for y, one of which is y equals 8, the other y equals negative 10. However, the problem says that determine the positive value of y. Therefore, the only acceptable y value is 8. Thanks for watching.